Today is Sunday. It is a holiday. I will not go to school today. We will go outside for fun. Good morning! I feel happy today. The sun is shining. Whee! This is so fun! Brush, brush. Get every tooth top to bottom. Now the sides, keep it going. Rinse and sparkle. All clean, yay! It's so much fun. Now for the soap. Scrub, scrub, scrub. All clean and fresh. I am ready. Let's go play. This room is so much fun. I found my favorite toy. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, sweetie.
Pancakes, my favorite.
I'm glad. They're almost ready.
Can I help?
Of course. You can set the table.
Okay.
Breakfast is ready. Smells so good.
Mom, can I help?
Of course. Come stir the oatmeal.
Yay, it smells so good.
Here you go. Stir it in circles. Like this? I'm doing it, Burr.
Let's eat.
Everything looks so delicious.
Wow, pancakes! Yummy! I'm glad you like them.
Can I have more?
Me too!
Pancakes for everyone.
They look delicious, honey.
Yummy! I want more! Me too! They're so good!
All right, let's dig in. This coffee is perfect.
The pancakes are delicious.
Can I have more syrup? Me too! And extra strawberries!
Of course, sweetie. Pass the
This
pitcher.
is the best breakfast ever!
These pancakes are delicious.
I helped make them!
You all did a great job. Best family day.
I will help!
Thank you, sweetie.
Thank you! I cleaned it all by myself. It's so shiny now. Sweet, sweet. Oh, sweet, 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 sweet. A little more to the right. Okay, I got it. Perfect. All clean now.
This table is looking much better.
You're doing a great job. Thanks. It's a team effort, always. I will fix this.
Wow!
There we go. All done.
Yay! Plants need water. There you go, little fern. All done.
House looks great.
It really does.
Let's go see upstairs.
And my new room.
All right, let's go explore. Let's go to the park.
Today is Sunday.
The weather is very nice.
I love walking.
Me too, buddy.
It's a beautiful day for it.
And we get ice cream.
I love walking.
It is a nice day.
The sun is warm today.
Catch me! I run fast! Look how fast I run! This is fun! Yeah, higher! Whee! This is the best! Don't stop! This is fun! Higher! Higher! I feel happy on the swing. The kids are happy.
Yes, they love the park.
Whee! Bubbles! This is fun!
They enjoy playing together today.
It's a perfect day.
Let's play! Come with me! We can run around the park. Yeah. My kite is flying. Look at the sky. The wind helps my kite fly. Smile! I take a photo.
Perfect! Wonderful! This will be a nice memory.
Ice cream time!
Yummy ice cream! I want chocolate ice cream, please.
Here you go, sweetie.
Cold and sweet. This ice cream tastes very good.
Let's go home.
The sun is setting.
It is getting dark slowly now. It smells good.
The food is almost ready now.
Yes, just a little longer. Let's eat dinner.
I am hungry.
The food looks very delicious and tasty. I am happy. We had a good day.
I love spending time together with our family.
Today was fun.
I played in the park. What did you do? I ran and played with my sister.
That sounds wonderful.
This show is funny.
Look at that.
Hee.
We enjoy watching TV together.
I finish my work. My homework is easy. I write carefully in my notebook.
Very good. You did well. You are learning very fast.
Good night. See you tomorrow. I feel very sleepy now because I am very tired today.